Hi guys, Kobe here and welcome to another episode of Gizmo App. So when using the Xiaomi AirDots or the Haylou earbud like the GT1 or the GT1 Pro, you might sometimes experience pairing problems, such as the left earbud not pairing with the right automatically or no sound in the left side of the earbuds. So in this video, I'll be taking you through steps on how to resolve this issue. Let's go ahead with the video. So here we have an old Haylou GT1 Pro earbud, and this has no dual pairing mode and slave switch. So from here we can see that the Haylou GT1 Pro has pairing problems because under settings we have Haylou GT1 Pro R and Haylou GT1 Pro L instead of Haylou GT1 Pro R. So what we have to do now is a factory reset of the earbuds. And to factory reset your earbuds, first of all, you take both earbuds from the case. And once it's done, it means the earbuds are on. Secondly, we turn them off by holding the touch sensor for 3 seconds until the red LED shows. And next, we have to hold the touch sensor for 15 seconds. The earbuds should be blinking red and white at around 10 to 12 seconds. So make sure it blinks twice. So now you put your earbuds back in the case and go back to your phone. From there, we delete and unpair the earbuds from the Bluetooth settings. Remove the earphones from the case and wait for them to pair in stereo mode. So after pairing in stereo mode, we connect the Haylou GT1 R device. So this same method works on the Redmi Airdots, the QCY earbuds, and the Soundpeats truefree earbuds. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching the video and give us a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button because reviews for Haylou T15 and the Transmart Spanky Beats are coming soon. And also many earphones and tech stuff are coming soon as well. See you in another one. Bye.